Okay. Squares and square roots. Okay, squares and square roots. See children, squares. Have you ever heard of squares?
Yes.
What is a square?
A number multiplied with that number.
I thought you will be telling square is a polygon quadrilateral with 4 sides. Okay, that is also in this, when you think about squares in numbers, there is a connection between that square and this square. Okay, that I will explain. I'll explain. Okay, so squares and square roots. The children, squares are the numbers. Squares are numbers itself, and they are known as square numbers. Square numbers. Okay, children, square numbers. I think we have explained it once when you were in 6th standard. I don't know whether I have taken this. See, children, we can arrange one. This, it is like a square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And dots, look at the dots. 3 dots. Rows and columns are equal, right? Okay. Can you count the dots?
9 dots.
9 dots.
9 dots.
Second
9
one?
dots.
Second one, how many dots?
4.
4 dots.
And
Four,
okay.
9.
And next one, when it comes in a square shape, how many? 16 should be there, right, children?
16.
You understood?
Yes.
You understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
16. What will be the next?
25.
25.
That means 5 numbers, 5 dots in a column, 5 dots in a row. So the children, now when we arrange or we plant the garden, we are plant some, if in a garden, if you are planting, if you are placing some plants, or like in a plantation, if you are planting some trees, saplings, it will be like a square shape, can be a square shape, or the soldiers are marching. It will be a square shape normally, right? So square numbers are the numbers. Square numbers are the numbers which, when multiply with the same numbers, like this, 1. Square of 1 is
1.
square. 1 is 1 into 1 equal to 1. If you multiply with the same number once, twice, 2 times, you will get a square number, right? So square of 2.
4.
How will you find? 2 into 2.
2 into 2, 4.
4. So can you tell the remaining square numbers?
Yes, ma'am. 9.
9,
16.
That is 3 into 3.
36. 49.
Okay, fine. Yes, children. Okay.
64.
So these are known as perfect squares. Perfect squares. Okay, children. Perfect squares. Square numbers. Because when we start from 1, square of 1 is denoted by 1 square. You might have seen last year algebraic expression. How will you write A into A?
A square.
A square. Or how will you write X square then?
X
into X. So how will you write 2 square?
2 into 2.
2 into 2. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. So 4 is known as a perfect square. Square number. 4 is known as a square number, right? So what is, so if I tell 1 square, what do you think of it? What is the answer?
1 into 1, 1.
1 into 1.
1.
Okay, 1 into 1. Okay, children. So 2 square.
2 into 2, 4.
2 into 2. 4. Okay. 3 square.
3 into 3,
9. 4 square.
16.
4 into 4, 16.
16. Okay. So now I told no, there is a connection between the square numbers and the real square, the polygons. Okay. What is the area of a square? Tell.
Side into side.
Area of a square. If one square has
S square.
one square has 3 centimeter side, what is its area?
3 into
3 into
3.
3,
9.
9 centimeter
Okay,
square.
so 3 square, a square, side into side means side square, a square, 3 square or 5 square. So area of a square and the square numbers has a connection. Clear, children?
Yes.
Okay, so shall we write some square numbers? We have to study till 25 square.
625.
Till from 1 to 25 by heart. If you want, you can study up to 30 also. Clear? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will write that first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, square numbers. Okay, we'll write. If you want, you can write the definition, square numbers or perfect squares. Square numbers or
What is the name of the chapter?
Squares and square roots. Very interesting chapter it is. Square numbers or perfect squares. Sorry, perfect squares.
Chapter number?
Chapter number 3. 3. Square numbers or perfect squares. The square numbers are the numbers which can be expressed as a product of the number with itself. Such numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. are known as perfect squares.
Finish.
Perfect squares. So we'll write from 1 onwards. Okay, children? Tomorrow after max exam, then Tuesday when I come, when we'll take class, you have to study this by heart and come up to 30. Okay? We'll start writing now. Shall I rep or let me move?
No, ma'am.
I'll move that board. Okay. Numbers, squares. Numbers and squares.
Ma'am, should we draw a box?
If you want, you draw box. 1 itself. 1 square is 1. Okay. 1 square. We will write like this. 1 square equal to 1. Or let us write like that. 1 square equal to 1. 2 square, 4.
4.
3 square,
9.
4 square,
16.
16.
okay. 5 square,
25.
6 square,
36.
7 square,
49.
8 square,
64.
correct. 9 square,
81.
10 square,
100.
100.
11 square,
121.
121.
correct. 12 square,
144.
good. 13 square,
169.
169.
169.
And look at 14 square. 14 square is 196.
96.
15 square,
225.
correct. 225. Right up to this much. Okay. Now 16 square,
256.
256.
And can show so much tops.
Okay, Lakshmi, now let the others also tell. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Enough?
And some
You don't know what is 10 square? Who is this person?
The one and only Aditya.
Adityan.
I won't scroll up because you don't know up to 10. Huh? Okay. 17 square. Somebody else tell what is 17 square?
289.
Correct. 289. 18 square. 324.
324.
19 square.
361.
361.
361. And 20 square.
400.
400. Now 21 square.
441.
441.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 5 square equal to 25.
Adityan, 5 into 5 what? Is it 36?
25.
So you write with me, okay, along with me. Otherwise, I had to scroll it down.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are not writing with me. See, children, did you write wrote and finish up to this much? 441?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 22 square is?
484.
484.
Yes. By heart, you have to study. By heart, okay. 23 square. You know what is 23?
529.
529.
What is 13 square?
169.
13 square is
169.
169. You want to see this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough?
Ma'am, you can
Okay,
zoom out so you can write.
Yes,
as
yes,
well.
yes. After writing, I'll zoom. 23 square is?
529.
529.
Yes. Now 24 square. I'll write here.
576.
Lakshmi, you are looking at the book and railing?
Ma'am,
Yes.
my teacher told me this one. I finished this chapter.
Then close the book and tell the next one.
25. 625, ma'am.
25 square, 625. Continuously tell.
25, 625, 26, 676, 656.
She lived in the book.
Ma'am, 676. Yes.
Then 27.
729.
Okay, do one thing. 25 square I wrote. Find out. Everybody find out. What is 26 square? 26 square.
76.
27 square. 28 square. 29 square. And 30 square.
I'm now right.
But don't tell the answer. Now I'll call everyone. I'll call one by one.
Ma'am, till
So children, did you get what is 26 square?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
676.
676.
676.
Now find out 27 square.
29.
Ma'am, 729.
Yes.
729.
729. Now what is 28 square? Find out.
789.
784.
Ah,
784.
some are telling the other answer also. Is it correct? 28 into 28 is 784 itself.
Yes.
Now find out 29 square.
841.
841. 841.
Hmm.
841.
Yes, 841. Wonder what is 30 square?
900.
900. Correct, children. So up to this, you have to study by heart. Whenever we ask, we have to tell the answer. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, listen, children. Did you all write, have written this?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes.
So children, we have learned this in 7th standard when we learned about the Pythagoras theorem. When we applied Pythagoras theorem, you might have heard this. Because hypotenuse square, when you get 36, if hypotenuse square is 36, what will be hypotenuse?
6. 36.
6.
6. That means the answer is this some number square, that is hypotenuse square, is 36. That means one number square is 36. Which is that number? That is our answer.
6.
If you are writing 36, you won't get the mark. You have to write the number which number has the square 36. Correct? So that number is 6. So here, children, when we studied Pythagoras theorem, we have learned about square numbers. Okay. Now, this is if the square of 6 is 36, means square root of 36 is 6. So you have to learn this. If the square of 6 is 36, square root of 36 is 6. That means which numbers when you multiplied to get to 36, the number you multiplied twice, same number itself, you got 36. That number is its square root. Clear? So that is squares and square root. Squares and square root. Now, will you write this? Will you write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Square of 6 is 36. Square root of, and you keep a bracket like this. Now I'll ask some questions for you. Yes.
Ma'am, can you show some doubt?
Which number you want?
Ma'am, 21.
Ah. Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at here, children. We use, always it is not possible to write square root of 36, square root of 81, square root of 100 like that. Here we are using one symbol like this. One symbol. Square root of 100. How will you read this? Square root of 100. Square root of 100 equal to, what is the answer? 10. Answer is
10.
which number you multiply to get 100. That number you have to write. Clear? So we use the symbol like that. Square root we use. Adityan, write fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Adityan.
I'm finished.
Okay. Now, shall I scroll the board? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Square of 6 is 36. So square root of 36 is 6. Okay, children. And we use the symbol. We use the symbol. We use the symbol of square root. Symbol of square root as draw like this. One second. Like this. Clear, children? Symbol. So, what is square root of 625?
25.
25. Or you write like this. What is square of 9? Square of 9.
3.
No. Square of 9 is 81.
81.
Like that. 81.
Okay, square of 9 is 81. Oh, we will use 9 square equal to 81, right? Square of 9 is 9 square. Huh? So you understood all this? And the square root of 81 is? Square root of 81 is 9.
9.
Okay. So square root of 625 is 25. Square root of 81 is 9. And what is square root of 900?
30.
30. Yes, 30. Did you understand up to this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have some questions, easy questions. See, children, I won't rub this. We want this table for the further questions. Okay, I'll write some questions for you. It is very easy one. Okay, first question is find the perfect square find the perfect square between first question 30 and 40. Which is the perfect square between 30 and 40?
36.
Lakshmi, no need of telling answer always first. Okay. Give the chance to others also. Please mute. It's good that you are telling the answers, okay? But you are not giving the others to think even. Let them think. And I'll give the chance to everyone. Okay, children. 30 and 40. Between 30 and 40, there is a perfect square. Find out.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Oh, yes, yes, I'll tell. I'll ask.
Can I tell?
I'll ask. Arjun Ammar. Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
36.
36. So answer is 36. Is the correct answer, children? All of you got the same answer?
Yes, yes, yes. 6 square.
Yes, 6 square is 36. Now, next question. 50 and 60. Think and tell me.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Shane.
Ma'am, 49.
50 and 60. Between
Ma'am,
50
can I
and
tell?
sorry,
54,
54.
Square.
between
Ma'am,
50 and 60.
There is no perfect square.
there is no perfect
Okay, okay.
square.
So, Shane, what did you tell first time?
Ma'am, I just thought about 40 and 50. That's it.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
got confused.
So 50 and 60, there are no perfect squares. Right? One perfect square is 7 square, that is 49 below 50. 8 square is 64 after 50. Right? Okay. So there are no perfect squares. Next one. So these are the simple questions, but if you are not thinking properly, you will make mistakes. Okay. Now we will move to the properties of square numbers. Properties of square numbers. Write the heading. Properties of square numbers.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Who is this? Uma.
Ma'am, Hessa.
Hessa, what happened?
No, ma'am, I just checked my audio.
Okay, Hessa, one day you had your birthday, no? Huh? That day
Yes,
you did
ma'am.
not come to the class also? Eh?
Yesterday I was not there.
Okay. Give us treat, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Properties of square numbers. Properties of square numbers. Now, before starting the first property, we'll have a look at these square numbers from the starting onwards. Okay, children, one square onwards we'll see. Is it time, children? 2:54 only.
6 more minutes.
Okay. Listen. Look at this. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. See, children, no need of telling the answer earlier. Look at here and listen to my question. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. So 1, 4. Okay. 3 square is 9. 1, 4, 9. 4 square is 16. Last digit. I'm thinking about telling about the last digit. Look at the unit digit. Okay. 5 square is 24. What is the unit digit? 5. And again 6 square?
6.
6 unit digit. Look at the unit digit. 7 square?
9.
9. 49's 9. Okay. Now 8 square?
4.
Unit digit. 9 square?
1.
And 10 square?
0.
0.
0.
And we'll move to the next one. After 10 onwards. 10 onwards. See. So we have some numbers here which can be the unit digit of the square numbers. Okay, children? Where is it? Go on. It's coming. Okay. So look at these digits. Okay, children, there are some digits with us. What are the digits?
Odd and even.
149656940.
1 is there, then 0 is there, 1 is there, 4 is
4,
there,
4 is there.
5,
5,
5,
6,
6.
6, 9.
9.
Okay. So look at the unit digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Did you understand? Some numbers are there which is not there in this up to 10, one digit number up to 10. Some numbers are not included in this. Can you identify those numbers?
2,
2,
2,
3,
3, 7, 8.
7, 8.
8. 2, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 7, 8 is not there here. Okay, children? 2, 3, 7, 8. Now look at the other numbers. 1 second. Up to 10 only we finish, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, 11 square.
1,
1, 4, 9,
9,
6,
6,
5.
5.
1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Next. Again, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. And in between 0 also. Okay, children. Now look at here 24 square. 24 square. What are the unit digits? 6, 5,
5,
6,
6,
9,
9, 4.
4,
0.
1. Okay, 0. Did you have you ever seen when we wrote up to 30? Have you ever seen these numbers? These numbers which we wrote already.
Yes.
What are these numbers? 2, 3, 7, 8. Did you see any square numbers?
No,
The ending
No,
digit.
no, no, no.
Ending digit. Ending digit.
no.
Second, where is it? Oh my God. Okay. So 2, 3, 7, 8 we have not seen. We wrote up to 30. All the numbers are repeatedly giving. We got all the numbers repeatedly, but just see these numbers. We found only these numbers. We did not find these numbers. Okay. So whenever there will not be any perfect square which ends on these digits. Okay. What are these digits? 2,
2,
3, 7,
7,
8.
8.
Okay, children. So no perfect squares will end in these digits. 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. Clear? Only
Yes,
0,
ma'am.
1, 4, 5, 6, 9 will come. 2, 3, 7, 8 will not come as a unit digit in perfect squares. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? Okay. So this is the first property. That means no square numbers will end in 2, 3, 7, 8. That is our first property. Okay, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. So will you come to the board? 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.